In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a SharePoint page as a tab in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep all necessary documents or pages right at your fingertips while working within Teams. Let's dive in and walk through this process together. First things first, open up your preferred internet browser. In the search bar, type Microsoft Teams, and you'll see a link appear prominently in your search results. Click on that link to access the Teams platform. Now, if you're not already logged in, you'll need to use your Microsoft credentials to sign in. Enter your email address and password, and once you're successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Microsoft Teams dashboard. Now, it's time to navigate to the specific team and channel where you want to add your SharePoint page. This is an important step because each team and channel can have its own set of tabs, customized to suit the needs of the group. Once you've selected the appropriate team and channel, take a look at the tab bar at the top. You'll notice a plus sign, plus, right there on the bar. Go ahead and click on that icon. This is the action button you'll use to add new tabs to your channel. A list of available apps will appear on your screen. This is your playground for integrating various tools and pages into your team's workspace. From this list, scroll through or simply search for SharePoint and select it. Doing so allows you to integrate a SharePoint page directly into your channel for easy access. Next, you'll be prompted to select which SharePoint site you wish to integrate. Here, choose the option that says Any SharePoint Site. This step ensures you can link any page, whether it's part of an internal site or another site you have access to, making the integration versatile for various needs. Now it's time to grab the specific URL of the SharePoint page you want to add as a tab. Head over to the SharePoint site in another browser tab, copy the URL of the exact page you need, and return to Teams. In the field provided within the Teams interface, paste that URL. You've now prepared the connection between your SharePoint page and Teams. To finalize the process, simply click the Save button. This is the final confirmation that integrates the page as a tab within your selected channel. And there you have it. The SharePoint page is now easily accessible directly within your Teams workspace, providing you and your colleagues with one-click access to important documents or resources. Following these steps will ensure that you have a neatly organized and efficient workspace in Microsoft Teams, allowing for seamless collaboration and easy access to important SharePoint pages. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful.